Welcome back to MZ English. We continue our lessons with short vowel sounds. I am your TEFL certified instructor, Mignon St. Clair. The letter E. The short sound of the letter E sounds like this. E. E, bed. E, chef. E, desk. E, event. This word has the long and short sound of the letter E. Our focus is the short sound, E. E, fresh. E, gem. E, hen. E, jet. E, leg. E, men. E, pen. E, red. E, tent. E, web. Let's take a look at the following picture and see how many short letter E words we can find. Pet, bell, bed, pen, ten, net. Very good. Let's take a look at a few more. Chess, cheese. Chess. Diesel, dress. Dress. Detour, deck. Deck. Elf, egg. It's both elf and egg. Nest, neat. Nest. Keep, kelp. Kelp. Sled, sheep. Sled. Smell, seal. Smell. Teal, ten. Ten. Well, wheeled. Well. The letters E and A. The letters E and A can also have the short sound of the letter E. E, E-A, bear. E-A, air. E-A, dead. E-A, fear. E-A, head. E-A, near. E-A, red. E-A, pear. E-A, stead. Let's try a few more. E-A, E or A, dear. E-A, or E, gare. E-A, E or A, hair. E-A, E, lead. E-A, E, rare. E-A, E, tear. E-A, E, spare. E-A, E, air, wear. We wear clothes. E-A, E, year. Thank you for taking part in this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you in the next.